And some of the brands are using it more like a branding strategy as well to connect with the customers at an emotional level as well.
Correct.
That people, users also feel connected with the brands. But interesting that, we talk about like CX trends and something, but now if I see, technology has been a great leveler, normalizing things, let me say. Because with the advent of new trends or innovations in tech, now those experiences can be, people can experience those things at anywhere from the world. Like the advent of let's say augmented reality.
Mm.
Like for example, like what IKEA using. I saw day before yesterday even Zomato is using. Let's say go to a particular menu, you select a dish. Using augmented reality, you can see on a table how that dish is going to look like.
Yeah.
It's nothing but generating that urge, that need to for somebody to go and probably place the order. It's interesting how virtual try on, like especially in case of cosmetics, is helping reduce the whole return rate. People can see what's working, what's not working, and they can experience it, be it any part of the world, so they can achieve it at scale. Be it now the shoppable videos, there brands like QVC, I think, or Home Shopping Network, and there are a lot of other brands where the videos, where there are links, you can see the video, how it's being used, and then you can directly buy. Personalized recommendation, I think Amazon has been acing it, in helping increase that customer satisfaction. Gamification or user generated content, or even a virtual brick and mortar store. Because I think we've been talking about it as well. So it's a great leveler. Got it right this time. Leveler in terms of global brands, I feel, to give that consistent experience across geographies, and and for some of the new brands to adopt to it and elevate the whole experience, which, like I said, is tying closely to all of the commerce related KPIs as well, to calculate the whole ROI of those CX initiatives.
Yep. No, no, absolutely right. So, and actually, when you talk about this, the like virtual reality and augmented reality and so on and so forth, the first thing that came to my mind was, probably I'm going to digress a bit from retail here,
Yeah,
is about like when in the like few weeks back, I was like watching, like I'm an ardent like sports enthusiast, whether whatever sport, whether it's cricket or
yeah.
tennis. I was watching a game of cricket with my son, like a 10-year-old son, who doesn't have a clue about what cricket is all about, right? But when I was watching it, and of course we all know about the whole Hawkeye or the ultra edge capability that currently we have to figure out whether leg before wicket or
Yeah.
so on and so forth. And just through that simple, like what do you say, augmented reality
Right.
that they were able to see, he was able to quickly grasp the intricacies
What it means.
of this game, right? Like, okay, where should the ball needs to be pitched, like where should it hit, and whether it's hitting the stick or not.
Right.
So like it made it so intuitive, like to understand a game. And same is the case when you're watching a tennis game, whether it's Djokovic hitting the ball outside
Right.
the service court or like on the baseline. So the augmented reality like is definitely played a good role across different industries. Of course, certain industries it has played a much a broader role, whereas the other industries it is like still upcoming. But it is going to be there, and it's going
Right.
to like definitely play a very very critical role, as far as I see, in creating that intuitiveness and convenience in terms of how you're looking at, especially in the context of retail.